Are you an online fitness coach? Find out the one big mistake in marketing with SMS that's costing you over $5,000 a month. The biggest mistake any new person trying to market their product or service makes is start talking about their features. No one wants to hear about your features. What the customer wants to hear is about the benefits he's going to get. You all know the expression, sell the sizzle, not the steak. So this is how you can do this. In SMS marketing, if your target audience already knows about your product, your headline that you put in the SMS has to start with the product. Hey, what's up people? My name is Graham Lewis. I run a coaching program, SMS Hero, that turns you into a money-making fitness trainer who can turn on at will a steady stream of customers begging to work with you and save you more than $5,000 a month in lost sales. Your message has to be constructed in a special way, and this is the secret to constructing your SMS message. You would say to them, and wrapping up the call to action in your message, you would say, you need to check this out because I'm going to show you how to do this, this, and this, which means you're going to get that benefit. That is how you switch from talking about the features of your product to talking about the benefits, because it is the benefits that the customer is looking for. He's not looking for your features. So you always talk about the benefits that the customer is looking for. Yes, I'll tell him. Yes, it's really important to tell him. Oh, wow, that was really important. This next part that I'm going to tell you, you've got to listen to. Pay attention. These sample headlines will work for both the problem-aware phase of your marketing and the solution-aware, because it's essentially a very similar step. In the one phase, you're talking about the problem head-on, and at the end of that message in the problem-aware phase, you're presenting your solution, which in the next stage, which is your solution-aware stage of marketing, you are talking about how you solve the pain point and showing the customer. So I'll give you an example of this right now, because in the previous video, we talked about how you would construct your headline for people who know they've got a problem, but they don't know about your solution. So now in this one, we're going to show you how we take the audience from listening to you about, yes, I've got that problem, I have a sore back or whatever the issue is, and by the way, here's something that will solve that pain point. Here are some ways to format your headline in your SMS message. The first one you can try is how to get something in as little as, and you can say a number of steps or a time frame. Or you could say something like how to do something in as little as a time frame, even if you. So those three things, how to, in as little as, even if you. So let's put that together in a headline for you with personal fitness. How to lose your belly fat in as little as 90 days, even if you hate exercise. So now we start working on the vehicle that's going to move your customer from just being problem aware to solution aware. And this happens in the second part of your message in the solution aware text. So you would say something like, the headline would be how to lose belly fat within 90 days even if you hate exercise. Watch this video and I'll show you how to do this with a 7-minute exercise routine even busy executives can manage. So you see how in the second part you then present the solution, because you know most of your target market, who they are and what they're doing, and if they're busy executives, you know they've got limited time, so surely they've just got 7 minutes. So you in that process you're knocking off the objections. They are potentially lazy, they don't want to get off the couch, they're tired, they just want to watch TV. They haven't got time, so you knock all of those objections off by using this construct. DM me now and book your SMS Hero strategy call. It'll be worth every cent you invest in yourself, or I will refund you 100%, no quibbles. Thank you for watching. Go on, make the call now. Get on the phone. Make the call now. DM me now. Do it now. Don't wait.